Hi everyone. Good day. So today I'm going to show you on how to create a Salesforce account. Okay, so marami kasing nagtatanong and marami din nahirapan in creating a Salesforce account. Okay, so I hope this video will help you on how to create your own Salesforce account so that you can perform yung ating CRM management portfolio or task. Okay. So, ayan. So, we have to search Salesforce. Okay. So, pwede din, i-click na itong login. Alright. So, as soon as you click that button and yeah, you can be able to direct here, dito sa kanyang login page or login dashboard. Okay. So, all you have to do since you don't have a account yet, ang gagawin natin is ito, try for free. Okay. So, just click it or pwede rin dito. And then after clicking, and you have to click accept and fill in your important information mo. Okay, let's say tiny okay, let's say tiny by now. Okay, job title. Okay, digital marketer. Okay, so email is ano bang email gagamitin? Okay, by now. Okay, that by now at gmail.com. Okay, so phone number. Okay, so pwede naman siguro, sige, kailangan talaga, no? Surname. Okay, share love. Okay, surname. 17. Okay, surname 311767733. Surname 31176. Okay, so mali. Okay, surname 3117677. Okay, employees are 1 to 20. Okay, the company, let's say a TVB solution. Okay, and the country is the Philippines. Okay, just click here, no? Okay, click agree. Alright, so then click start free trial. Okay, so yeah, let's just wait na ma-download or makita mo yung talagang ano siya confirmation na nag-send na sila ng confirmation email. Okay, so do not leave itong page na ito kasi it will cause sometimes tawag dito error if ever na nagbe-verify ka ng Salesforce account mo. Okay, so almost there, check your email. So yun yung kanyang instruction. You have to check your email. Okay, so kasi yung free 30-day trial mo is na papunta na doon sa inyo. Okay, so let's going to check yung ating email. Okay, so gagawin ko, search ko yung Gmail, okay, gmail.com, and then see if pumasok na. Okay, so dito sa ano ko is wala. But then again, nakita niyo ba may update? Okay, so posibleng hindi siya na mapupunta dito. Okay, it's either nasa spam siya. Okay, let's go check yung spam folder. Wala siya sa mga update siya nakalagay. Okay, so dito click natin sa mga update. Ayan. So andito po yung email confirmation ni search. Okay, it's either dito kasi siya minsan sa spam or promotion. Check natin sa promotion. Okay, so yeah, wala naman. Okay, so dito sa update. Okay, and dito sa update, just click this one. Alright, so as soon as you click this, just wait how many minutes, and makakatanggap ka na agad ng message from the Salesforce. Okay, so wala pa, hindi pa dumadating. Okay, so but then again, it is important na hindi natin dapat sirado or i-close itong slide na ito or this this page dapat hindi talaga siya i-close kahit na mag-verify ka later on ng account mo. Okay, so ayan, wait lang. Wait natin yung ibang update, Okay, so ito lang yung binigay sa atin. Okay, mukhang English. Right. Okay, so ayan, capture and send. Okay, wala namang wala namang other instruction, just confirmation lang. Okay, sa promotion naman check natin. Okay, so wait lang. Wala pa, medyo matagal talaga ito. Ayan. So after how many minutes, okay, so naka-receive na tayo ng email. Ito yung importante na email na dapat nating ma-receive. Okay, click it. Okay, do not close this one yet. Okay, so wait for this, na ma-verify natin. Okay, all you have to do is to click ito, You have to click verify account. Okay, so pwede mong i-copy na ito, right? Copy. Ito yung magiging username mo. Okay, so ayan, click verify account. Alright, so click this one. Alright, so reset password. Okay, so kailangan mong makita ito, that you have to reset yung password mo. Okay, so ayan, reset lang ito. Click reset. And dapat, ayan, so kung nakikita nyo, hindi ko kinose ito. Kasi pag na-close ito, hindi kayo makaka-perform nito. Okay, so ito yung gagawin natin. Alright, so password 4. ito yung username natin. We have to set our password at least 8 characters, 1 letter, and 1 number. Okay? Let's say, ang gagawin. Bibigay ko dito. Okay, sige. Alright, it didn't match daw. Okay. So, let's try it on again, one more time. Okay, so nag-match na, no? So, yun lang. Okay, and you have to set, no, yung security question ninyo para if ever na kailangan nyo i-retrieve, no, yung account ninyo, meron ng security question. Okay, so ayan. Ito, what's your mother's maiden name? Okay, so ayan, sa akin is, ayan, okay, so, ayan, palagay. And then, what else? Maiden name, right? So, yun, at least yun lang. Okay, pwede na yun. And then, click itong, ayan, change password. Okay, let's say kung i-confirm niya. Alright, so, na-confirm nga, no? Ayan. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin is you have to set, no, kung ano yung information natin. Okay, like for example, okay, marketing. Okay, so let's say for sales na lang. Okay, and then, try natin kung pwede tayong pumili ng iba. Okay, so pwede naman, pero hindi siya pwedeng more than one. Okay, sales next, and then, do any of this feel like familiar changes? Okay, so ano yung purpose mo? Bakit mo ginamit yung Salesforce? Okay, contacts info, disorganized, ano pa? Okay, report 80%. Okay, sige, ito na lang siguro. Okay, submit, and then wait also again. Okay, wait again, no, to verify. Yan, so ito na. You already have the, andito ka na sa dashboard, no, ni Salesforce. So, that's easy, no? That's how easy to create your dito yung Salesforce account. Okay, so ayan, skip, pwede mong next para at least alam mo kung paano gamitin yung navigation niya. And then I hope it helps. Okay, so good luck everyone. I hope nakatulong, no, yung paggawa, yung quick tutorial ko on how to create your Salesforce account para hindi kayo pa ulit-ulit, no, kasi it also happened to me before. Okay, so good luck and God bless. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching.